Hello, we are doing some vacay prep, mini vacay. We're only gonna be gone a couple days, but I'm gonna go get my nails done and get a pedicure. I haven't had any of that stuff done in months. Like, I don't think since March or April, maybe. One of those times. Anywho, we're gonna go get that done. I almost said this was part one, but it's all getting put into one video, but this is the first portion. And then we'll do packing and stuff too. All right, we're back home. We got nails done. I got a teal and a pink. Very cute. And warning, I'm going to show my feet, my toenails. So prep for that. Whee! Orange. Hello, good morning. So we are continuing on our packing adventure, and that's what we're doing now, our prep for vacation. We're only going to be gone a weekend, so it's not anything crazy or excessive. Of course, we got some eye gels on because I don't know why sleeping has been an invasive activity for me. But this is the bag that we are going to be using, and I have some of the stuff laid out, so we'll just kind of go through. Because what we're doing is we're going to a water park, which is connected to a theme park, and then we're also going to go to the beach. I don't know which one's coming first because there's some weather, and so depending on where rain might happen, according to the radar, it is going to change which one we do first and vice versa. For the water park, I have this tankini and a beautiful deep teal peacock green, but just because we're at a water park and there's slides and rides, and it's not a good place for a regular bikini in my opinion. And also going to be wearing my mermaid bottom because one, it has a little bit more coverage, which I think is also good when you're at a water park, you know, with rides, etc. And also because it has this nice green, it plays off of this well. Looks nice. Also for a water park, I am wearing some water shoes. I also have Will's water shoes because since he swims with us here, he just leaves his stuff here. So I got this. These have some light bluish teal white. I will admit that right here is not the most comfortable, but it's better once they're. But yeah, water park, athlete's foot, people like spit on the ground and stuff. Ugh. So here are our two string bikini bottoms. What do we think? Do we like the, move these out of the way. Do we like the white with the teal? Okay, so what do we think? Nice. And then there's our gold. But this looks nice too, like the contrast. It looks nice. And as I said, these are more comfortable. I will say the white ones feel in general more comfortable just because of the kind of material that makes the gold ones metallic. The white ones are more overall comfortable. I'm going to go with, because the white ones are more comfortable, and I'm going to a lake beach, not an ocean beach, I think I'm going to go with my white ones. Swim goggles, of course. And of course our off-brand GoPro and accessory pieces. Important. Battery plus charger. I did charge these batteries already, but these things drain so quick. All camera and charging accessories are going to go into this front pocket, which is very not comfortable to do with one hand, but done. Alright, so then this is coming off a little bit lighter on camera, but I do have this red dress, but it's actually a beach overlay, but it looks nice enough that I think if I pair it with a belt, that after we're done at the beach and we go to dinner, that's a quick, easy transition. Yes, and something that I can wear to the beach as well, you know, as we're driving there. And then we have a few pairs of socks, mostly for traveling and for the water park. I mean, because there is zero way that I am traveling around a theme park, standing in lines, etc., in sandals. That's not going to be good for the tootsies. So this is the bag that I'm going to take because I did test. Sorry, and my phone does fit in here. I just cannot carry everything under the sun, so that will be fun. But this is going to be good for walking around the park. I have not been wearing makeup to work because it's been 100 and something degrees. Plus when I'm in my shop, and also I'm a fitness instructor, so I have my class today, so I just went ahead and changed into this. But we're gonna pack for park. Okay, here is makeup. This is the Laura Geller Best of Best Baked Full Face. Just everything. Although I might not bring this, I'm still debating because I'm thinking super basic, simple. Yeah, changed my mind. I'm just gonna go with this because I can just use this. This is eyeshadow, or I can use my little paint. I'm thinking chill, basic, simple. Okay. So obviously these are going to go in a case, but these are my glasses, contact lens stuff, face wash. I'm just going to take this LMS sample collagen cream and just use it as my day and night cream because we're only going for a couple days. Mini roller. This smells so good. Both of these things smell like Brazilian bum bum cream. That's what I'm trying to. I've been saving this particular one for after the beach. I have a lip mask, eye mask, and then another. This is a coconut mask. Coconut. But yeah, I thought those would be very vacation-y. And then these earrings I'm taking because they're from 333. Much easier to replace if something happens than any of my other smaller earrings. Oh, and comb and hairbrush will also be traveling. I think I might take my travel brush. And this is super nice because you just sloop it all up in here and then bloop. You have a bunch of sunscreen and bug spray too. And that is the packing situation. So I will see you all when we actually go on the trip.